Arms position. Position. Raise arms to a circle in front of the chest. Second position. Open up arm sideward. Raise below shoulder level with a graceful curve. Third position. Raise one arm overhead while other arm remains in second position. Fourth position. Raise one arm in front of chest in a half circle while one arm remains overhead. Last position. Raise both arms overhead in a graceful curve. Feet position. First position. Bring heels close to touch, toes apart. Second position. Bring feet apart sideward. Third position. Bring the heel of one foot to touch the instep of the other foot. Fourth position. Bring one foot in front of the other foot to walk straight. Last position. Bring the heel of one foot to touch the toe of the other. Now, let's apply.
Smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes